નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, now chapter number 8, decimal. So first of all, what is the decimal? Decimal, it means denominator 10, 100, thousands and one type of point. पॉइंट वाली जो कोई भी वैल्यू होगी उसे हम लोग बोलेंगे डेसिमल, यानी कि 0.5, 200.30, 135.45. These all are is the decimal values. Point यानी कि decimal. Right? Now to the solve in the decimal questions. Exercise 8.1, second question. Write the following decimal in the place value table. So this one is the place value tables given A, B and C, 3 questions, right? Now the first question 19.4, 0.4 it means point value is equal to decimal number, it's called the decimal number, it's called the decimal number, it means decimal, decimal and decimal. Here after 0.1 digit, after 0.1 digit, after 0.1 digit, right? Without decimal start ones, tens, hundred, thousands, and point to place value ones, tens, 100. After point is called the tens, then after hundreds it's called the tens, then after hundreds and so on. So here is the 19.4, the first value 19.4. 9 is the ones, right? This one is the tens, this one is already you know. So write down in the ones, here is 9, tens is means 1, 0.4 is means this one is the tens value place. So here tens is means 4, here nothing, so 0. So this one is first question answer. Same with 0.3, 0 is means this one is ones. So put in the ones in 0. After point the only one digit is called the tens place. So tens place 3. Here is 0 and 0. Clear? Same for the third one. This one is 1, this one is 10, this one is 100, right? This one is ones, tens and 100, and this one is tens. So first of all in ones 5, tens 0, this one is 100, hundreds 2. After point is called this one is tens. Tens place 9. So this one is first question answer, given decimal number to the place value. Suppose in example given a one decimal value 205.94. So this one is called a ones place, is called a tens, is called a 100. Here only after point 2 digit, the first digit is means tens, but in second digit is called hundreds, right? Suppose this question to write in place value table. So after here write here one more box and write down the hundreds place. In the tens place put 9 and 100 place put 4. Clear? Now the question number 3. In question number 3, write each of the following as decimal. So in what? The first question 7 tens. 7 it means 7, right? Tens is means here is tens. After point 1 digit is means tens is means here 1 by tens is means 1 by 10. Hundreds is means 1 by 100. Hundreds, tens is means 1 by 10. Hundreds is means 1 by hundreds. Thousands is means 1 by 1000. So here tens, the tens is means here is 10. 7 to 7 tens is means by 10. Here tens is means 1 by 10. So the 7 by 10 is means 0.7. We all are know 7 by 10 is means 0.7. So this one is decimal number. Same with the 2 tens and 9 tens. Here is used tens. 2 tens. 2 tens is means 2 tens is means 2 multiply by 10 tens and plus 9 tenths. 9 tenths means 9 by 10. So 2 is means 20 here 0.9. So this one is decimal numbers. Same for the third. 14. Write down the 14. Point is means 0.6. 14.6. So this one is third question answer 14.6. 102 tenths. So first of all 100 is means 100 and yani ki suppose plus 2 here using tenths. Tenths is means by 10. So 2 by 10. So answer is 100. 2 by 10 is means 0.2. 0.2 is means 0.2. So this one is decimal number. Clear? One more times. Tenths. Tenths yani ki 1 by 10. Hundredths yani ki 1 by 100. Thousandths by 1 by 1000. So here 7 tenths. So 7 by 10 is means 0.7. Same for the 2 tenths. Yes, this one is tenths. It means multiply by 10. And tenths. This is called different. This one is tenths. It means multiply by 10. And tenths. It means divided by 10. So 2 tenths. So 2 multiply by 10. And 9 tenths. This one is the 9 divided by 10. So 2 multiplied by 10 is means 20. 9 by 10 is means 0.9. So 20.9. Third one is the easy 14.6. So 14.6. Now 100. The 100 tenths. Tenths yani ki divided by 10. So 2 by 10 is means 100.2. This one is the decimal number. Now clear? Okay. Now to the question number 4. Write each of the following as decimal. Here is 10. So 5 by 10 is means 0.5 and it's called a tenths. Why? Because divided by 10. Divided by 10 is means tenths. So tenths is means 0.5. Second one is 3 as it is plus 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is means 0.7. This one is also a tenths. So 3 plus 0.7 is means 3.7. Right? 70. So 70 as is it. 8 by 10 is means 0.8. 70 plus 0.8 is means 70.8. This one is decimal. Here 200 plus 60 is means 260 plus 1 by 10 is means 0.1. It's called a 1 by 10 is means tenths. So 260 plus 0.1 is means 260.1. Now 4 integer 1 by 2. In that time 4 separately. So 4 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is means 1 to half. 1 ka half 0.5. 0.5. So 4 plus 0.5. So decimal value is 4.5. Understand? Now to the last one, 3 integer 3 by 5. Here in decimal place value divided by 10, divided by 100, divided by thousands, but here 5. So first of all 2 part. So this one is 3 plus 3 by 5. Clear? Now here 5 not given a 10, 100, thousands. Then here the multiply by denominator and numerator multiply by 2. Why multiply by 2? Because 5 multiply by 2 is means 10. 5 multiply by 2 it means 10. हमें डिनोमिनेटर में या तो 10 या तो 100 या फिर thousands है, तभी हम उसे डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. So here given is 5, then 5 to which number and multiply? So 5 multiply by 2. So 5 multiply by 2 it means 10. So 3 multiply by 2 it means 3 plus 3. 3 multiply by 2 it means 6 and 5 multiply by 2 it means 10. So 6 by 10 it means 3.6. Clear? So this one is decimal number.
Thank you for joining us.